Hey everybody, what's up? I know it's been a very long time since I've uploaded anything, so I thought today I would do my Ipsy. I'm recording this on my phone, so we're gonna see how that goes. And if it's really bouncy, I'm really sorry. I've never done this before. I'm trying to keep you guys in the frame. And this is a challenge to do it one-handed, isn't it? Okay. Really like that. That is really pretty. I like that. It's really nice. All right, now the more important stuff. Ooh. This is so hard to do. I know people don't do it that often. All right, first out is the Clark's Botanical Retinol Rescue Overnight Cream. I'm really excited about this stuff, actually. It's a nice size. And there's the card, Social Butterfly. Put those up there. Okay, next we have, what's that? It's a hand cream, lemongrass and green tea by Bubble Tea, infused with tea essential oils. That's nice. I always need a hand cream. I leave it right by the sink for when I do dishes. Next up I have, it's a NYX. What color are you? I'm just gonna focus, hold on. It is San Paulo Soft Matte Lip Cream. That's kind of pretty. More fall than summer though. That's okay. Next we have, what is this? Nail Medic Keratin and Calcium Infused Nail Polish. Protects against toxins, pollutants, restores healthy, beautiful nails. Let's see what color? Rise and Slay. Okay. Let's see if we can figure out what color this is. Oh, that's pretty. Oh yeah, I would definitely use that. That's gorgeous. Yes, please. Okay, I think there's one more thing in here. Yep. Wrapped in tape. Right, hold on. Trying to get it open. I'm not having much luck at it. So. Okay. There we go. Alright. Sorry about the shaking. Okay, so this is what it is. It's Manna Kadar, Simply Beautiful. That's kind of pretty, I think. Is it? Eye candy. It's an eyeshadow. It's like one of those little jumbo pencils. I don't use these that often, and that's really dark for me. So I'll probably give this to my daughter, and she'll love it. But you know, overall, I'm pretty excited. I really love this bag though. Like, I love that. It's almost like rose gold, but it's not. It's got like more of a purpley tone to it. And I absolutely love the butterfly motif. It's just so pretty. And I'm kind of happy. I'm excited about this bag. I wasn't very excited about last month's bag. I thought it was I was not. I got more body care stuff than I did makeup, which is not what I want. So I kind of changed my, I guess my profile, you could say, to see if I could get some more makeup stuff. So I'm not disappointed. I'm really excited, and I really love this color. That is so pretty, and I'd probably wear it too. That is really nice. I'm super excited. All right, so that's it, you guys. My first video in a long time. If you like these videos, thumbs up, comment down below. Let me know if you guys got something different than I did. And until next time, you guys,